We want to study in the chapter Inheritance and Variation. George Mendel, born in 1822, and he put the famous experiment in 1855 on hybridization plants. George Mendel, also known as the father of genetics. We can recall some points. Is there similarities between parents and offspring? Yes, there is some similarities between parents and offspring. What are the role of chromosomes in the living organism? Chromosomes express the characters in one generation, from one generation to the second generation. How are the hybrid seeds are produced? Like that. Or what are the chromosomal disorders? Chromosomes and mechanism of inheritance, that is the transmission of genetic information from one generation to the next generation, is known as heredity, or is also called as the inheritance. George Mendel studied inheritance of trait in pea plant. He proposed a model where pair of heritable elements or genes specifies traits. When an organism makes a gamete, each gamete receives just one gene copy which is selected randomly. This is known as law of segregation. Define genetics. Genetics is the branch of biology which deals with the study of heredity and variation. Mendel's also called as the father of genetics. Heredity, the characters goes from one generation to the second generation. It's called as the hereditary characters. And the variation, the changes takes place from one generation to the second generation, as called as the variation. I was Mendel selected pea plant for the Mendel's experiment. Mendel selected pea plant for his experiment because the pea plant can be easily grown and maintained. The pea plant are naturally self-pollinating, but can also be cross-pollinated. It is an annual plant. Therefore, many generations can be studied with a short period of time. It has several contrasting characters. Mendel's proposed three basic postulates on the basis of which three laws were formulated. The first, law of dominance. Second, the law of segregation. It is also called as law of purity of gametes. And the third law of independent assortment. Mendel's proposed three basic postulates on which the three laws are formulated. These are described below. First is the law of dominance. In monohybrid and dihybrid crosses, the phenotypic characters are controlled by discrete units called as factors in a similar pair of factor. One member of the pair dominates, that is dominant, over the other, that is recessive. The law of dominance is used to explain the expressions of only one of the parental characters of a monohybrid cross in F1 and the expression in both in F2. It can be described diagrammatically. In the F1 generation, you can take in the genomics, capital T and small t, second plant, and the gametes, capital T, small t, process with the third plant in the gametes, capital T, small t, and the fourth plant taken as a capital T, small t. Means all plants in the F1 generation. And in the the F2 generation, the gametes, capital T, small t, capital T, second plant, having the gametes, capital T, small t, next plant, also having the gametes, capital T and small t. Statement of law of dominance. When two homozygous individuals with one or more sets of contrasting characters are crossed, the alleles characters that appear in F1 dominates, and those which do not appear in F1 are recessive. Law of second law is the law of purity of gametes. The law of segregation. This law is based on the fact that alleles do not show any blending, like mixing, and both the alleles characters are recovered as such in F2 generation through one of these is not seen at the F1 stage during formation of gametes. These two alleles is factors. Obviously, separate or segregate. Otherwise, recessive type will not appear in F2 generation. The gametes which are formed are always pure for a particular character trait. A gamete may carry either dominant or recessive factor, but not both. That's why it is also called as law of purity of gametes. Law of segregation is also called as law of purity of gametes. You can study this one with the help of diagram, that is the Mendel's law of segregation. In that we have take the two plants having the gametes. First plant having the gametes capital T, small t. In second plant having the gametes capital T, small t. To put the plants, we want to take the cross, and after crossing we got the four plants having the gametes. The first plant having the gametes capital T, capital T. Second plant having the gametes capital T, small t. The third plant having the gametes capital T, small t. And the fourth plant having the gametes small t, small t. The first plant is a tall. Second plant is also the tall plant. Third plant also the tall plant, and the fourth plant is a dwarf plant. So the law statement of Law of segregation. The law of segregation states that when hybrid F1 form gametes, the alleles segregate from each other and enter in different gametes. The gametes formed are pure in that they carry only one allele each, either dominant allele or the recessive allele. Hence, this law is also called as or described as the law of purity of gametes.